Hello everyone. Yes, children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, today we are going to learn about a new topic that is called hygiene. See, we are going to learn about hygiene, but we'll learn about basic hygiene. Do you know what is basic hygiene? Basic hygiene means any action we do in our day-to-day life to keep our body neat and clean. Yes, whatever we do in our day-to-day life, that is called a hygiene, a personal hygiene or a basic hygiene. So children, today I'm going to tell you about basic hygiene. So yes, whenever you get up in the morning, first thing what you have to do? Yes, you have to brush your teeth. See, what is this? It's a brush. So you have to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush them every day. So you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Yes, why do we have to brush our teeth? To keep our teeth clean. Yes, and what will happen if we don't brush our teeth? What will happen? Yes, if you don't brush your teeth every day, your teeth will get dirty and all germs will get inside and cavities will be there. Then mama will take you to the dentist. So every day you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Yes. Now children, after brushing your teeth, what you have to do? You have to take a bath. Yes, you have to take a bath. Every day you have to take a bath. You have to wear clean clothes. And children, now as you know, there are a lot of germs spreading. You have to always use a Dettol. Yes, what is this? It's a antiseptic liquid. Yes, you have to put this in your water and then you have to take a bath. Yes. Now children, now whenever you go to the washroom or whenever you are eating something, before that or after that you always have to wash your hands. Yes, see what is this? It's a Dettol. It's a soap, liquid soap. So you have to use a hand wash and you have to wash your hands. When will you wash your hands? Before eating your meal and after you finish. And also when you come, whenever you're going out, what you will do? When you come back home, you will wash your hands with a liquid soap or a hand wash. Okay? And children, one more thing. Very important. You know what? What is this? This is a sanitizer. Yes. This you have to always use. Whenever you go out, whenever you come back home or whenever you feel your hands are dirty. So you have to always use this. What will happen if you use this? Yes. You will be protected. Yes, the germs will not come to you all because we always put our hands in the mouth, na? Yes, so if you use this, you will be safe and germs will not come. And children, what is this? This is a nail cutter. Yes, what do we do with this? We trim our nails. We cut our nails, right? Yes, you have to cut your nails daily. Whenever you feel your nails are grown up, you have to clean it. You have to trim your nails. You don't have to keep your nails dirty. Okay, children? Or else what will happen? All the germs will go inside your mouth. Then you will fall sick. So always cut your nails. Yes. And children, what is this? What is this? It's a brush. Yes, hair brush. Now children, every day you have to comb your hair using a brush or a comb. Yes, then you look very neat and tidy. You used to comb your hair now when you come to school? Yes, so now also even if you are at home, you have to comb your hair. Daily you have to comb your hair. Okay children? And very important, what is this? What is this? It's a face mask. Yes. Do we have to wear a face mask at home? No. Whenever we go out, you have to wear a face mask to protect yourself from germs. Yes. So don't forget to wear a face mask. Okay children? Yes, it's very good. Alright. And you know what? What is this? What is this? It's a handkerchief. Why we use handkerchief? Whenever you're sneezing or you're coughing, you have to always use a handkerchief to cover your mouth. Yes, so that the germs won't spread to others. Yes. So children, I hope you all understood about the hygiene. Yes. Now teacher is going to show you something. You all have to look. Okay, listen. All right. Yes. Are you all ready? Okay. So children, here are some golden rules of hygiene. Can you see? These are the golden rules of hygiene. See, get up early in the morning. Yes. You have to get up early in the morning. See, the alarm is ringing and the child is wake up. Yes, see, she wakes up early in the morning. Now brush your teeth. Yes, as I told you, you have to always brush your teeth every day, twice a day. See how she's brushing up and down. And now cut your nails. Yes, you have to cut your nails. See, you can see this way you have to always cut your nails regularly. And take a bath every day. Yes, very important. You have to take a bath every day to keep your body clean. And wear clean clothes. After taking bath, you always have to wear a clean clothes. Yes, your clothes should be clean. Now go to bed early in the night. Yes, children, you have to go to bed early in the night. So yes, see, so these were the basic rules. Yes, these were the golden rules of hygiene. Yes, thank you.